Will XRP make you rich? In this video, I will answer this question. XRP can make you rich. Although it has seen a major drop recently, several factors imply that it is a good investment and that its price can increase in the future. XRP is being tested in selected banks as a replacement for SWIFT money transfers. This is the biggest reason why Ripple may be a great investment. It is pretty evident that Ripple's tech is poised to become a standard part of bank money transfers, as people are now demanding faster transfers than ever before. It is amongst the most promising digital currencies and has associations with foundations in the financial world, and many national banks have just made changes to consolidate Ripple within their organizations. Another major factor that should lead to XRP rise is that to fund the operations, the parent company has halted any further sale of the asset. This should lead to the demand outweighing the coin supply, eventually leading to a rapid price increase. Consumer Financial Protection Bureau. It has also made strides in receiving positive sentiment from global regulators, which will lead to a positive long-term outlook and help in price predictions in the future. For many years after its creation, the price of the XRP coin was so insignificant that it was almost worthless. Until 2017, the asset's value fluctuated around $0.01. But this changed shortly as the token began to receive broader coverage. It also took advantage of the bullish growth of the crypto industry that year. By April 2017, XRP had risen to $0.05. The gradual increase soon continued, reaching $0.25 in May. After that, the asset had reached the point of no return, as it attracted the attention of crypto enthusiasts who saw the value and potential of the XRP coin. The asset's value grew throughout 2017 and until the beginning of 2018, when it reached a record level of $3.84, but this was soon followed by a sharp drop in value, which affected all other cryptocurrencies. By the end of 2019, the price of XRP stabilized at $0.30 and did not exceed the $0.5 mark throughout the year. However, the bullish growth of 2020, which began by the end of the year, helped the XRP currency exchange rate to rise. The value of the token reached $0.8 before the end of the year. The beginning of 2021 was supposed to be a continuation of the growth in the value of XRP, but this could not happen due to the SEC announcement of a lawsuit. According to the XRP technical analysis and XRP price history, investing in XRP may bring you profit if you properly evaluate your risk, position yourself wisely, do your own research and take profits when the time is right. Most investors see XRP as a long-term profitable investment. After the announcement, some exchanges excluded XRP from their platforms. Many of those who held the coin also sold it in a panic. This led to the fact that the price of XRP started to decline steadily to $0.166. However, XRP rose again to $0.755 currently. Ripple is trading from $0.7 to $0.9. Looking at this review, we can see the high volatility of XRP over the past few months, which makes it challenging to make a Ripple forecast. But volatility does not prevent analysts from making XRP forecasts based on trends. This only means that these forecasts can change at the slightest real news in the market. However, they still give a rough estimate of what to expect from the Ripple rate. The low price of XRP means that anyone with a small budget can invest in it to build a whole number of tokens, which many of us psychologically value. Ripple transactions are fast, and solutions based on Ripple allow you to trade cash or goods with low commission. In the past, the popularity of XRP, and as a result, the growth of its value largely depended on partnerships with these traditional institutions. Forming more partnerships will result in deeper acceptance by society, which invariably means higher value. However, everything is not so simple for XRP. The SEC lawsuit further complicates the situation. Before the SEC filed the case, the XRP projections had been positive, even if they did not inspire optimism. But the lawsuit interrupts the breakthrough and makes Ripple's price prediction trajectory more difficult and enables Ripple to take the profit at a time when the crypto market was growing rapidly. Given how difficult it is to predict a digital asset accurately due to the extremely high volatility on the crypto market, it is even more so for XRP. After the trial, more and more traders are showing a bearish attitude towards the XRP cryptocurrency, raising fears that it may fall below 10 cents. However, the increase in prices from retail investors and traders allowed it to rise again. If XRP experiences a real breakthrough in 2022, it could reach its historical maximum of more than $3, but this looks unlikely while the SEC lawsuit is hanging over their head. Another major thing to be considered while investing in any cryptocurrency is its fees. Ripple's fees are substantially low compared to most other people out there. By keeping the cost of transfers low, Ripple has made itself a more appealing investment item and a more competitive money transfer technology. This, in turn, has given it a better long-term prognosis. So when you invest in XRP, you can be assured that its price is going to rise and it will eventually make you rich. It is frustrating to know that the opportunity was so close, but you missed it. You hear this a lot. If you would invest just $3,000 into XRP back in 2017 and sell it at peak level in 2018, then you could have made $1 million. Same examples are with Bitcoin and many other coins. But you shouldn't think like that. Don't concentrate on what was missed, but think on new opportunities. Now that you know the real power of Ripple, let's talk about how you can become a millionaire with XBR, which is kind of associated with Ripple. Current XRP market cap is $11.8 billion and supply is 43.7 billion units, which gives us approximately 27 cents per coin. Oftentimes, I often tell people to forget what they have missed in time past by not investing early or getting early into one cryptocurrency or the other, because aside from just buying and holding these cryptocurrencies for potential, let's compare the XRP market cap with other market players, Bitcoin, all cryptocurrencies, USD, and gold. Let's imagine that in 2-3 years XRP achieves all its goals and adopts masses to use it for most transactions in the world, and its market cap reaches a gold level of $7-8 trillion. And the supply of XRP reached 70 billion units. Then the price would be about $110, which means around 400x of current price. In this case, you need to invest just $2,500 to become a millionaire. Finally, if one can be patient enough and do things right, I believe XRP has the potential to make anyone rich. Why does XRP haven't many chances to grow dramatically? Well, first of all, it is not centralized like Bitcoin or Ethereum. The fact that the supply is controlled by Ripple and is very huge, 100 billion units, does not play well. At the end of the day, only the demand of XRP will dictate its destiny, and the success of Ripple and RippleNet will definitely help. I hope you like this video. If you really, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.